This isn't so bad. I'm not scared at all. I kind of wish the jaguar was bigger.
Boo!
I mean, oh, hi, Felina. Didn't see you there.
Don't mind me. I need to head out for a bit. You're big enough to be left in charge, right? Home, alone, in the middle of the night, during a thunderstorm.
Of course. We can take care of ourselves. Munchkin, pass the popcorn.
Perfect. Enjoy the film and don't wait up. I'll be late.
I think that was the last scene anyway. Time for bed.
Why does everyone say that movie is so scary? I'm way too old to believe in 50-foot cats.
No need to freak out. It's probably one of your parents calling to say goodnight. Hello? Crawl residence? Flix Crawl speaking.
The 50-foot jaguar is coming to get us, just like in the movie.
It's probably just Felina. That's it. She saw us watching the film and decided to play a prank. Still, better safe than sorry. There. Nothing to fear now.
The storm must have cut the power.
Or the jaguar cut the power.
Shh. Nothing's coming to get us. Let's just think. What do adults do when there's a blackout?
They grab a torch.
Who? What? Felina? How did you get in? We locked the doors.
Yeah, with me inside.